Hello students, welcome. Dear students, in our multiples and factors chapter, today we are going to solve problem set number 34 and problem set number 35. Before starting problem set number 34, just two definitions I will revise. These definitions I gave in notes also. Read the notes carefully. Now the first one, what is meant by prime number? A prime number, a number which has only two factors, one and the number itself, are called prime number. Prime number means the number which have only two factors, which one two, one and that number itself. Okay, so if these kind of numbers are there, then they are called prime numbers. For example, 2, now 2 having factors 1 and 2 means that number itself. So 2 is a prime number. Then 3, if you find out the factors of 3, then only you get 1 and that number 3 itself. Then 7, 7 also, 17, 29. So 17 also, if you find out the factors of 17, then only you will get 1 and that number itself means 17 as a factor. 29 also, if you are taking the factors of 29, then only 1 and that number itself means that 29 is the factor. So one number and that number itself are the factors of the number, so those numbers are called prime numbers. Now next is composite number, exactly opposite to prime numbers. Definition: a number which has more than two factors, numbers which have more than two factors. For example, 12, first factor I told you 1 and that number, so 1 and 12. Then 2 6 are 12, 2 and 6. Then 3 4 are 12. Okay, so the factors 1 2 3 4 6, okay, and 12. So these are the factors of 12. So more than 2, a number which has more than two factors. So 12 having more than two factors. So 12 is an example of composite number. Prime number, if the factors of the number is 1 and that number itself, then prime number. Composite number, more than two factors are called composite number. Now see here, 1 is a number which is neither prime nor composite. Maybe in the fill in the blanks we'll ask the questions, or in Kaun Banega Crorepati, which is a number which is neither prime nor composite. So 1 is a number that is neither prime and nor composite. Okay, and one more thing, 2 is only number which is prime and even. 2 is only number that is prime number also and even number also. Even number, 2 4 6 8 10, these are even. Odd number 1 3 5 7, these are the odd numbers. So 2 is a number that is prime also and even number also, that is only one number. So I think you clear about prime number and composite number. So this problem set number 34 is depends on these prime numbers and composite number. Now we'll move to the examples. Problem set number 34, first example is write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Okay, so how you have to solve this? Write the question 1, and then you have to write the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Okay, prime number definition: a number which has only two factors, 1 and. So 1 is a prime number, just we write 1 is number which is neither prime nor composite, so no. Then 2, yes, so you have to write the number only 1 to 20, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 20. So in between 1 to 20 you have to find out which numbers are prime numbers, and that you have to write. So how you have to write question number 1, and you have to write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20 is equal to, and then you have to write the numbers. Okay, now the second one, write all the composite numbers between 21 to 50. Same way you have to solve. Write question number 2, and then you have to write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50 is equal to, and according to definition you have to write a number which has more than two factors. So first take and this calculation you have to do roughly only you have to write the numbers, students, in the first question also and second question. Calculation means what? Just when you are checking, for in the first question, that is all the prime numbers between 1 to 20. So 2 is 3, you are checking that. So that you have to do roughly, only you have to write the numbers, means the answers. Now here also 21 to 50. 21 you have to check, is 21 a composite number? Then 22, then 23, then 24, 30, 40 and up to 50 you have to check. And whatever the numbers you found that are the composite number, that you have to write, like I told you, all the composite numbers between 21 to 50 is equal to, and that numbers you have to write only in between 21 to 50. That is the question you have to write according to that question answer. Now the third one, circle the prime numbers in the list given below. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 numbers are given. Okay. So whichever you found the prime numbers, that you have to circle. So for this question, what you have to write? Write question number 3. And the numbers, for example, whatever the numbers 22, 37, 43, 22, 37, and 43, 48, and so on. So here you have to circle the numbers which are prime numbers. Now the definition of prime numbers, that students, what is the definition? A number which has only two factors. Now 22 first. 22, see, 11 2s are 22. Then so 1 also, 22 also, 2 also, and 11 also. So more than 2, so 22 is a composite number. Then 37. Now if 37, so if you check 37, the factors, you have to find the factors. Only you will get 1 and that number itself is 1 and 37. So 37 is a prime number. So what they are, circle the prime number. So you have to circle that. First write all the numbers, and whichever you found these prime numbers, you have to circle that. Like this way you have to solve example number or question number 3. Now question number 4. Which of the prime number are even numbers? Which of the prime number, the number should be prime and even. Already answer is given. Okay. Now I hope you understood this problem set 34. Now problem set number 35. Problem set 35 is based on co-prime numbers. Problem set 34 is based on prime number and composite number, and this one is co-prime number. Before solving these examples, we have to know that what is meant by co-prime number. Definition is written here. Definition is already given in your notes. Read the notes. Example also I gave. So here, numbers which have only one. Here student, number, and here numbers, means here two numbers given. Okay. So numbers which have only one as a common factor. You have to write the factors and then find out if there is only one common factor between these given two numbers or more than two. Then you have to know that that number should be co-prime number. Now for example 8 and 9 I wrote here. So factors of 8 first you have to write. This way you have to solve this practice set. Sorry, problem set. Practice set is 600 word. So factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 9, 1, 3, 9. If you carefully see, what is the common factor here? Only 1. So only 1 is a common factor here. So 8 and 9 are co-prime numbers. This way you have to solve the examples from this problem set number 35. Now another example, 12 and 20. We will write the factors. I told you how to write the factors. First, always the number and that 1 and that number is well. 12 ones are 1 12s are. Then is 12 is divisible by 2? Yes, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 and 6. Then 3, yes, 3 4s are. Now again 4 3s are, it is repetition going start here. That's why we have to stop. So these are the factors 1, and you have to write the factors in ascending order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Now factors of 20. As I told you, 1 and 20. Then 2 tens are 20. 3, is there 20 in this table? No. 4, yes. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are. See, again repetition start. 4 5s and 5 4s. So we have to stop here. So the factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Now students, here we have to find out the common factors. Now common factor, here 1, here 1, here 2, 2, 4 here, 4 here, 5, 6, 12, no. So here students, if you see here more than one common factor, see here numbers which have only 1 as a common factor, only one number, like here. So these are the, then we can say that coprime. Here we got more factor, 1, 2 and 4. So here we have to write in full sentence, just write common factors of 12 and 30, 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4. So here more, here 2 and 4 also. So therefore 12, 20 are not co-prime numbers. This way you have to solve the examples, okay? Because here common factors are 1, 2, 4. What is the definition of co-prime number? Co-prime number means number which have only 1 as a common factor. Here we got 1 also, 2 and 4 also. So 12 and 20 are not co-prime number. I hope you understood this. So in problem set number 35, there are total 8 examples, students. Same way you have to solve. First write the example, then find out the factor of first number, find out the factors of second, then circle that, write down the common factors. If in the given example only 1 is the common factor, then you have to write the number, whatever the given number, then are co-prime numbers. If more than 1 the factors, common factors are there, then you have to write the whatever the number are not co-prime numbers. This way you have to solve. I hope you understood, student. Now there are some notes given there. Some Arrhenius method, and then one more method for prime numbers. So when we will take revision, that time I will revise this, I will teach this. So you have to read these notes from page number 50 and 51. Okay. So I hope you understood. Our chapter is over, students. In the next video we'll start decimal fraction. Before that you have to complete all the this notes and this one, the whatever the problem sets up to 35. All examples to solve, and then next week I will send the notes. Then on new page, first you have to complete all the examples, and then I will send the answer key also. All the problems are based on this chapter, multiples and factors. You have to check your answers, okay? Then whenever you got the notes of next chapter, that is decimal fraction, then write on new page chapter name and the notes, and then when we start videos, see the videos, understood the content, and then you have to solve the problem set whatever in that decimal fraction, okay? But complete your notebook up to date, students. Means whatever, whenever you got now this practice set over, same day you have to complete the notes, okay? In fresh mind. I hope you understood. Any problem, then message me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.